Supply chain management is like a very good use case of leveraging the blockchain technology to track products from the point of origin to the point of consumption.
It is very important that we know how much this is, because we need to compare it with other people, what other people are charging. And then it will also help us to know what's your revenue, your profits.
Make me understand blockchain the way you are using it in your product, as if I am a 6-year-old child.
It's good to find a need. Then you need the statistics, because the statistics tells you how profitable it will be.
When building products, you need to think first about what are the problem areas I'm trying to solve for.
But the winner, I'm so sorry, Cyber. You tried your best, but was your best good enough? Yes, Cyber!